welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kelsey. Welcome. Today I'm going to be taking you into Daiso, which is the Japanese dollar store. I'm going to go in and see what they have, pick up a few things that I need. I know you guys love the Dollar Tree just as much as I do, so if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, just keep watching.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you're posting on the gram, I even tried to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline.
Okay, I just got back home, so I'm gonna go upstairs and show you guys what I got from Daiso. I will film another Dollar Tree video sometime in the next few weeks. You guys, let me know what you want to see, because really it is all whatever you want to see. I mean, I love the Dollar Tree and Daiso and doing budget-friendly videos, so I hope you guys do too. But of course, if you ever have like a video suggestion or idea, you can always DM me or leave me a comment. Okay, let's go upstairs and see what I got. The Amazon guy was just at my door as I was driving up, so he left a few packages. I'm pretty sure these are for Kenzie. I got her a few things off of Amazon for her birthday, so I'm opening it right now. So let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, she's gonna be so stoked. It looks like this is one of her gifts. It's a whole princess thing. Oh, she's gonna love this, you guys. 4 pairs of heels and 2 crowns, and it looks like it came with a wand in the back. So she is definitely gonna freak when she sees that. She's been really into dress up lately. And I also got her a bath toy. I thought this was really cool. It is a fishing pole, but it's magnetic, so it'll be fun for her. She definitely needed some new toys. I'm going to give them to her tomorrow. And then on Saturday this weekend, we are having a birthday party for her at my brother's house. So we're going to be celebrating all weekend with her. Okay, I'm going to jump into what I got at Daiso. So there was a lot there. I could have been in that store probably for hours. I was at least in there for an hour. But I showed you guys these in the vlog clips. These are really pretty gold frames, and I have an idea for these for my bathroom. So I'm gonna fill them with cute pictures. They are plastic, I believe. The gold on them looked nicer than the ones I've seen at the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna see how they look. I don't know if they'll work out. This is also another toy I got Kenzie. I also spent $50, you guys. What the heck? Why would I spend $50 at the dollar store? That's crazy. But this is a water sprayer. It's like a really cute shell, and then it has like a water gun. So I think she'll love this for the summer. I just got a bunch of random stuff. These are really cute zipper bags. You can put basically anything you want in these. I thought they would be cute for Kenzie, for snacks. They're very Valentine's Day-like. I could even save them for Valentine's. I also got these Popsicle Makers, and I needed them because we're gonna start making smoothies for Kenzie and putting them in here and making popsicles because she loves sweets and we're trying to get her off of sugar. So I thought making like smoothies, I know that she will think that it's candy, but it's really not. So we're gonna make some healthy smoothies and put them in here. Next, I got a bear tape measure. Don't ask why. I just thought it was so cute. And James's measuring tapes are always somewhere where I can't find them in the garage or in his toolbox. So I wanted one for myself in case I have to measure something. This is interesting. This is a brush hair net thing. So basically, it's the same concept of putting a dryer sheet over your hairbrush to help with smoothing out your hair or static. So basically, this is a hair net that you put over your hairbrush, and I don't know if it's gonna work good, but I thought I would try it. I also did really need these. These are gardening scissors. I have gotten a few plants, and my dad was telling me I needed to prune some of them, so I'm gonna try that out. Don't know how that's gonna go, but these were really cute and super cheap. They also came in a few different colors. I got a new eyelash curler. I really needed a new one. Mine was kind of breaking, so got that. I also got these silicone cups, which I hear are really good for dipping sauces. I've used just paper ones in the past, but these are gonna be a lot better because obviously they're silicone, they're easy to wash, and they're reusable. I got this really cool bobby pin set. I love that it came with a container. I always lose bobby pins, so it's nice that they're all in one place. I thought that was really a good idea. Ooh, this is probably what I'm most excited about. This is a stick ice tray. I fill up my water bottles all the time, and I get so annoyed when the ice cubes don't fit into my water bottles. So this ice tray makes them into sticks, so that way they can fit into your water bottles. How cool is that? And it was $1.50. Then I got a fan. It's just one of those handheld fans, as you can see in that picture there. But I got this for in between my skincare because I'm always looking to dry my skincare as fast as possible between steps. So I thought that would be a good idea. I've just been using my hand lately because I can't find my other handheld fan. They have a bunch of toys at this Daiso Japanese dollar store, and this I thought was really cool because I've seen something similar to this on Amazon for about 20 bucks, and I never wanted to spend it. But basically it teaches them how to cut different fruits and vegetables. They have Velcro in between the middle of them, and it comes with a knife and a little cutting tray, and you just put the fruit on there and slice them up, and she will have so much fun with this. So I'm excited to give her that. Okay, this one also might be one of my favorites. This is a pill case, and I thought it was so cute because I've been trying to take my vitamins more frequently, and I wanted to get a pill organizer, and this one I just fell in love with. They also had a teal turquoise one that I really liked, but how cute is that? I love it. All of this is such pointless stuff, but it's gonna make my life easier. Okay, this next thing is really cool too. If you do sheet mask, I do a lot of sheet mask every night, or every other night I would say, and I hate that they always fall off of my face, so this thing makes it to not do that. So this wraps around your ears and it holds tight against your face, so you put this over your sheet mask and then tuck it behind your ears, so that way your sheet mask doesn't fall down. How awesome is that? I can't wait to use that. Then I got this really cute bandana. Of course, we are wearing masks now. I feel like every time I go out and I'm not wearing a mask, people give me the death stare. So I've been trying to be more aware of that. So I got this cute flamingo one. So I'm going to see how that goes. What else? Oh, I got these for Kenzie's snacks. I thought these would be cute for sticking in her fruits like strawberries or grapes or whatever I'm making that day, her little sandwiches, just to make it a little bit more fun. I also picked up some sharpeners. These are actually for my makeup. These work really good for sharpening my lip pencils or eyeliners. I really like these. I've had them in the past, I just can't find them anywhere. And then I got some new pens. I really liked the colors in these. They were only $1.50, so that's a really good deal. I like a lot of Daiso's pens because they write really well, and hopefully these are kind of the same thing. I'm guessing they are. Okay, we're down to the last two things. These are ceramic pots, and I fell in love when I saw them. I love the detail in them. There was a bunch of different patterns. I think there was 4 different patterns, but these were my 2 favorite. And I'm going to set them by my kitchen window. Right now I have basil growing, but I want to do cilantro and rosemary. So I'm going to put them in these 2 pots, and I just thought they were so cute. And I love that they were ceramic. They just look really nice. So that is everything, you guys. We did it. You stuck with me through that whole haul. Let's just hide all this stuff before James gets home. He's gonna be like, why the heck did you need any of this? And now I'm gonna go hang out with Kenzie and James and wrap all of our presents. Alright guys, that is everything for this random video today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. I will see you in my next video on Monday. I would love if you considered subscribing if you aren't already. It would mean a lot if you join this community. And I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye! 1, 2, 3, let's go.